Hey guys, how you doing? It's Chris from Equalize Designz, and today I'm actually going to show you me setting up my screen printing machine. Check it out. Okay guys, so here we're unboxing the screen printing machine, and first thing I'm taking out right now is the screen t-shirt plate. That's where we put our t-shirts at to do the screen printing. If you see where those three holes at, that's where I'm gonna put the piece so it can lock into the screen printing machine. Okay, so now we have the tool that will make everything tight, and we have the arms for the screen printing. That's one of the parts that we're going to use to hold the screens. Okay, so here we have the base of our screen printing machine here. This will allow us to it runs on a swivel, so it lets it spin around, so when you're doing full color press you can definitely rotate it in left or right and actually get the process of the work done much quicker. Right now I already have one arm up and ready to actually start screen printing. I'm putting in the second arm right now. I have like a little bit of problem with some of the stuff because some of the holes are very small for the actual screws to fit in, and also like some of the welding of it was really off, but it still worked out for me in the long run. So after I built my screen printing machine, the next thing I did was I went to a hardware store. I bought some 2x4 and some plywood and actually built my cabinet. This one holds about 4 screens in it, and so when I'm putting the emulsion on, I can let it dry in the cabinet, and right now it's open, but I have like a little cloth that I put over it so it doesn't be, so the emulsion is not exposed during sunlight. And I actually bought me a yellow bulb so I can work in the room with the emulsion so it doesn't expose. So after I actually built the cabinet, I had some spare 2x4 left, and I built my exposure unit so I can burn my screen. So basically I just had a couple 2x4s, and I drilled the nails in it, screws in it to put it together, and then I bought me a work light, and that will burn the screens. So actually, when I was starting out, I actually didn't have any emulsion. I didn't have the burner unit. So what I did just to test my screen printing machine is I actually had some adhesive vinyl, and I didn't mirror it. I just cut it. I used like a symbol, like I think it was Nightwing, and I just put that on the screen, and I started screen printing. It really came out nice though, but I would still prefer using emulsion because it definitely holds stronger. It's just much better. So that's me setting up my screen printing machine. The process was not really difficult, just a little things I had to tinker with, but other than that, it was a really good. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.